My dear friends, good morning. After studying distance time graph, today I am going to tell you about velocity time graph. What is velocity time graph? When a graph is plotted between velocity traveled by a body at different time interval. This graph is called as velocity time graph. The velocity time graph is of two types: velocity time graph two types. First one, velocity time graph for uniform motion. Second, velocity time graph for non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. Take first case, the velocity time graph for uniform motion. First thing, velocity time graph for uniform motion. That velocity time graph for uniform motion. First of all, you should know what is uniform motion. When a body covers equal velocity in equal interval of time during its motion, this type of motion is called a uniform motion, right? And that is here velocity time graph for uniform motion means velocity time graph for non-accelerated motion. This is also called a velocity time graph for non-accelerated motion. That is, body moves with constant velocity. See, a velocity time graph for uniform motion is like this. Suppose a data is given here. A data is given like this. Here velocity meter per second, time in second, point A, B, C, D. Let at time t0 velocity is 10 meter per second. After 5 seconds, this is also 10. 10 seconds, 10, and 15 second velocity is 10. That is body moving with constant velocity. Using these information, draw velocity time graph. That is, if you draw velocity time graph using these information, you will get a straight line parallel to time axis. Let 10, 20, 30, 40, here 5, 10, 15. So at time t0, velocity is 10 meter per second. At time 5 second, after 5 second, velocity is 10, and after time 10 second, velocity is 10. Again, after time 15 second, velocity is 10. So this is point A, B, C, and this one D. Join them, you will get a straight line parallel to time axis. So velocity time graph for uniform motion is a straight line parallel to time axis, right? Second thing, velocity time graph for non-uniform motion velocity time graph for non-uniform motion. That velocity time graph for non-uniform motion is of two types. It is of two types. First thing, a VT graph. VT means what? Velocity time graph for uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration. When does a body in uniform acceleration, when the rate of change of velocity of a moving body is constant acceleration. Here take a data here. This is velocity, this is time, meter per second, time in second. See here, at time t0, let velocity is 0. After 5 seconds, let this is 10 meter, 10 seconds, 20 meter, and 15, after 15 seconds, this is 30 meter per second. Using this data, draw velocity time graph, draw velocity time graph time in second, velocity meter per second. What will you get? 5, 10, 15. Let on graph paper 1 centimeter equal to 5 seconds. Here on graph paper 1 centimeter equal to 10 meter per second, 10, 20 and 30. Now draw the graph at time t0, velocity is 0. After 5 seconds, velocity is 10 meter per second. After 10 seconds, velocity is 20 meter per second. After 15 seconds, velocity is 30 meter per second. Now join them. O, this is point O, A, B, C. A, B and C. Join them, you will get a straight line. Right? Here, so velocity time graph for uniform acceleration is a straight line making acute angle with time axis, right? So ये velocity time graph for uniform acceleration. And third case, that is in case second, point B here, that is velocity time graph for non-uniform acceleration. That is here, you may say that velocity time graph for variable acceleration. Take a data here in this regard. V meter per second, time t in second. Let time t0, velocity is 0. After 5 seconds, velocity is 10 meter per second. After 10 seconds, velocity is 5 meter per second. And after 15 seconds, velocity is 20 meter per second. After 20 seconds, velocity is again 25 meter per second. So this is the velocity and time. Using this data, if you draw the velocity time graph, you will get this condition 0 time in second, velocity meter per second. So here 5, 10, 15 and 20. Here 5, 10, 15, 20 and this one is 25. 25, right? So write them. 0 after 5 seconds velocity is 10. 10 here after 10 seconds velocity is 5. And after 15 seconds velocity is 20. And after 20 seconds velocity is 25. So point A, B, C and D. So join them like this, and B again this and this one. So this is the velocity time graph for non-uniform acceleration. Non-uniform acceleration, right? That is, what will you say in this regard? Velocity time graph for non-uniform acceleration is a zigzag path. Right? So these are different types for velocity time graph, right? Thank you very much.